All right, good morning, cyber traders. Welcome to Thursday, September 3rd. How's everybody doing? Good to see you all. Welcome back, all you cyber traders and YouTube and Facebook Live traders. We're doing great with the stock KCAC. Listen, one share. One share is all you have to trade is one share, okay? You know, I joke around all the time. Early bird gets the worm. We found this stock right at 8 o'clock this morning. A lot of you were logged in early, around 7:45. And if everyone just bought just one share, just to see what it feels like to be in a stock that is up 56% right now, you're killing it. So we've been in it since 8 o'clock this morning. I got shaken out a couple of times. Actually, I got a little nervous around 1450. Ended up buying it back at like 1480. Then ran all the way to 16. I sold my position. I just got out of it before the meetings. I always feel like I get screwed every time I hold around 9 o'clock. And when I do these meetings, because it's kind of hard to kind of like, when you got a lot of money on the line, you're watching one stock and then you're kind of preaching and talking at another. But hopefully, I think it did. Hopefully, it was a good trade. But overall, Clack is doing great. And also, this was another crazy stock that we traded this morning too. Is Ears. Ears also just popped from everywhere. Just literally just went from like 85 cents to about $1.45. But so everybody's doing pretty well in certain stocks. But we're going to come back. We're going to check that out. But before we get started, everybody, just want to do a quick little shout out to our great friend here. One of our top favorite instructors, Josh. He's been, he's there. He works really hard. And today's his birthday. So why don't we just give him a quick round of applause, and everyone, let's just wish him a happy birthday. I don't have a happy birthday song here to play for him, but if I did, I would. All right. Happy birthday, Josh. You're more than welcome. All right. Everybody loves you. And you know what? Me and Josh have something very big in common, other than we're both, instructors and we teach you guys how to trade. We're both Virgos. We're both Virgos. My birthday's coming up on the 18th. So that's one thing I said when Josh came in. He says, what month were you born? Oh, definitely hiring you. We definitely have a lot. You're a Virgo. We definitely have a lot in common. So he's been with us for about almost 6 years now, 5-6 years. And, it's been great. So thanks, Josh, for all your help and your support. All right, so let's get back to what's going on and what's happening, what we traded yesterday. A couple of good stocks that did make some big moves. I do want to start off with the Tupper Lady, okay? The Tupper Lady is probably cashing in right now, but that stock not only has been a good day trade, but it's been a really great swing trade. Stock has done unbelievable since July. I think it was $4. I didn't even know that the stock was even public, actually. And then all of a sudden, thing ran to 16, ran to $20.60. Congratulations, Tupperware lady. I know I had a Tupper party. I don't know if you had one, but I guess, COVID, I guess, you have 10 people in there. They're doing well. So stock is obviously doing great. I knew they get paid good commission. They're good salespeople. They work really hard. So good for the Tupper lady. She's doing great. I think this is better than any commission that you got. People don't realize that trading in the market is just phenomenal. It's just great, All right, so a couple other stocks also that made some really nice moves I want to touch upon. So we had the Tupper lady that's doing great. We had GoGo that did too. Actually, let me change the slide here. Okay, so GoGo had a nice little run, $7 to $10. Then it kind of died. GoGo has been not only been a good day trade, but remember, I tell you this all the time. You want to be a good day trader. Actually, I dyslexed it. You want to be a good swing trader. You damn well better know how to day trade first, because that's how you know what to swing trade. That's where it comes down to it. So please don't mix and match the two. El Presidente, I don't know if you guys watching Fox Business yesterday, and Barstool, the guy that does all the pizzas, and El Presidente. Everybody see him yesterday? Everybody watched it and saw it. He was actually talking for a while. He was on Neil Cavito. He was literally talking for about, I guess, like 30 minutes. I never seen someone ever gave anyone that long of a platform on it. But everybody watched it. It was pretty cool, right? You know why I'm bringing it up? Because even him is going out there and he's preaching day trading. Now, I got to correct him, even though he's a little arrogant. He's not day trading, okay? He's actively trading. He's doing some swing trades. But he's also, he likes the whole concept of day trading. And, it's just great that you have people out there preaching and say, hey, listen, these entrepreneurs are realizing like, hey, you know what? You want to get in corporate America, you starting a business, listen, trading the market's a lot easier. So, but the big thing that I got out of him, and me and Josh, joke about it a little bit, because Josh is also a very good, big fan of his too. Also, we actually sent him a cyber clock. Could you believe that? We sent him one of these. I know he does these unveilings, and he never opened it up. I said, Josh is like, let's send him. Let's see, because he actually lost like $1 million trading. Now he said he's making money. Sometimes, like I say all the time, you got to lose some before you start making it. But I sent him one of my cyber clocks. Maybe I should send him another one and see if he'll eventually open it up and recognize Cyber Trade University. But I would love to kind of trade him a couple of strategies. And remember, and you know what? He might consider, because great traders never stop learning. Always remember that. Now, just like us, some day traders and some swing trades. Absolutely, Mike. Absolutely. All right. So we got a couple other stocks that are making that also we did trade yesterday, did pretty well. We had the SDC that we traded. That one was a great, great mover. Went from $8 to about $10, had a nice pop, and it's starting to back off right now. And then we had the NNVC trade. That one also went from $4 to $7. Great, great, nice movers right there. So there were a lot of good stocks that traded yesterday, but please remember, that's in the archives. That's over. Today is hump day. Today's Thursday. And that's what we get when we trade middle week. There are a couple of stocks that are moving this morning. We're going to go jump back and check them out. Let's go just hop back over there in the KCAC. All right. So I just want to make one comment about the KCAC. For all the students out there, okay, all the students that took class yesterday, what did we learn most importantly? So if you're one of my students, yesterday's morning session was a great class, okay? There was just, we basically batted, I think we were like 7 for 8, or was this, or 6 to, I think it was 7 to 8 or 7 to 9. So we had literally 7 winners to 1 loss. But the key was we didn't hit any home runs. The only thing that crushed me yesterday was stupid DraftKings, okay? DraftKings was the only stock that I got hit on that I lost. And I'm just going to bring back the chart, and you could see it. I guess Michael Jordan, something got on the board or whatever, and then right around 42.50. And then it started backing off, and I was involved in this little Fausto flag right here. And it says, you know what? Crap this, man. I'm going to take a loss. And I got out around 41. And that was the only stock that really hurt me. And I had to catch up a lot to make back for it. And look what happened. It dropped all the way down to 37. So remember, the big thing and I know it's a lot of you YouTubers here and Facebook members and new trial members while you guys are joined here. The biggest thing you have to learn about what we teach you here is it's not about making money. Okay. If you're looking to make money in trading, yeah, that's the ultimate goal. But you know why you're really here is to learn how to stop losing it. And, one of the big things people look at it, and I sit there, I'm like, damn, you know what? Thank God I got out of that stock, because everything that you taught, that was what we teach you about, it's okay to take a loss. If we didn't, that stock would have crushed us. Would literally crushed us. So that is the big thing. You got to be careful with some of these stocks, because if you don't know how to take losses, you get yourself in trouble. And you know what? A tip of the day. Oh, yes, Michael, let's bring up that one too. That one also ridiculous. CORT. I think we went from 13 to 23. So anyway, I want to bring, and I'm glad that you brought that up, Michael Dorsey, in the cyber group room, is because this stock was so damn volatile, all right, that it just literally, it was moving like dollars in a minute. So unfortunately, if you get yourself too deep in a stock, let's just say, it's out of your league and you train something a little too fast, and it moves too fast, you'll get crushed like that. And you know what? It's okay to take $100 and $200 loss, but you know how hard it is to take $1,000 loss? And the only reason why you're at 1,000 because you don't want to take a $500 loss. And you know what? That $1,000 day trade now becomes a $2,000 loss swing trade, which becomes a $5,000, $10,000 investment loss. And you know what? If you just follow the rules and you don't break that 30-second rule, because we covered that in class, you guys will realize, the three strikes you're out rule. Follow those, what we kind of preach so very much here at Cyber University. That will kind of stretch out, and that's why we want you in the room. That's why we invite a lot of you, even trial members that are even people watching on YouTube. We keep telling you what you got to see if other people make money. Watch how we trade together. Okay. So remember, my job is, I'm telling you what we're looking at, but you got to know how to take those losses, because court, I know, burnt a lot of people for, and the whole idea is, as long as you minimized it, you're fine. All right. But it also was a huge home run. It was a home run too for some people. All right. So let's go over some of the stocks that we got this morning. So guys, get your pen and paper ready. And if you're in the cyber group room, don't worry, we're going to put it in there for you. So we got the clack. Now remember, there's warrants too. So the warrant, obviously, if you go to our YouTube channel, I kind of explain what warrants are, but I'm not going to go into detail about it. It's just another form of an option. But KLAC is kind of holding here, kind of strong right here. I'm glad I got out right around 1609. But like I said, this is the dead zone from 9 to 9:30, and then we'll see what happens at 9:30. All right, so you got that one. You got ears. We'll keep an eye on that one. I don't know what the news on that one, but that stock basically took a nice little run up. Riot, blockchain, not doing too well. What are you doing? Oh, I typed in a wrong window. RIOT. What the hell am I doing wrong? Riot's taking a hit. Actually, not Riot. I don't want to talk about Riot. I want to talk about this one. This is the one I want to talk about. Which one? Oh, this one. Right here. AKTV. Okay. So anyway, Riot was another one, but I'm not really too crazy about it regarding my blockchain. The one I'm concerned about is this one. Traders. What do we know about pharmaceutical stocks when they go down? What do we know? That's right. Patrick, everybody, Lewis, Lita, especially you, Lita. You've been here for a long time, so you know. They never come back. Okay? They never come back. You have to be careful. So some people are looking at the stock and they're waking up in the morning and they're like, oh, well, maybe it will come back. No, they don't. They don't come back. All right? So be very, very careful looking at this stock. I know some people are going to probably average down. And listen, you tell me the writing wasn't on the wall in the past month. Look, every day kept breaking a new low, a new low, a new low, a new low. You know what I mean? And then all of a sudden you wake up in the morning and you're like, damn it, maybe I should sell at 11. Damn it, maybe yesterday I should have sold at 1050 because I own at 12. Or maybe the FDA, the news didn't come out in the FDA. Listen, the news is out. And then you wake up in the morning and boom, now you just lost everything. This is, a lesson you don't want to learn. Okay? Not a very good lesson. What's all that noise? Oh, all right. A couple other stocks. Cruise lines are worth watching too. Yes. So like I told you, I'm even Barstool even said it yesterday. El Presidente said it. He's out of it, but he got crushed on the airlines. Listen, I think the cruise stocks and the airlines, if you're looking for something long term and see what happens 2 years from now, I think you probably could double your money than putting in a bank at 1%. You know what I mean? I don't even think it even pays you that, for crying out loud. So listen, something conservative. The only way you know it, look what's happening with Royal Caribbean. It's building a little bit of Fausto flag. These stocks were like literally on fire. Listen, the economy will come back. So, everyone's eventually going to have to fly. Vaccine, news came out that there was a vaccine, probably going to be out by October, which is incredible. I don't know if anybody's going to want to take it, but but there is one coming out. So the market loves it. We're already at 19,000. That's some phenomenal rally. So we're doing great on that one. So anyway, keep an eye on that one. What else I got? I got ears. Oh, and listen, I know we're not going to be trading this stock, but I just want to bring up Tesla really quick. Tesla is taking a big hit right now. Listen, another thing I want to bring up Barstool because we were talking about Tesla. He said he buys more when the stock drops. Listen, the stock is the largest short squeeze on the market. And if you've been here long enough here at Cyber Trading University, you know specifically that we've seen how short squeeze works. Okay. And they got squeezed, and they got squeezed really bad. Okay. But whatever goes up fast comes down twice as hard. Eventually, the shorts are going to win. Okay. I don't know what's going to cost them, but eventually something's going to happen there. So if you ever learn about being in a short squeeze and you see me do it all the time, be very careful. That's right. Look at Kodak. All right. There's one right there, Patrick, right? Look at that one. Talking about getting squeezed. That is what you call short squeeze, which I know I'm going to make we on Tuesdays and Mondays and Tuesdays, probably not this Monday because market's closed, but on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesdays, I do a quick 2-3 minute video tip, and I'll do one on short squeeze. All right, so listen, we gotta get ready for the market open up. We got one trader on YouTube wants me to check out ADMA. Just check out that one. The stock is going down. It's not really going anywhere. I'll kind of like pass on that. I'm not really interested. Listen, this is a very, very big weekend. A lot of kids starting to go back to school. Next week is really the big week. Now they're pushing off here in New York, but Labor Day is on Monday. So listen, a lot of people are going to be going away starting tomorrow. I know I am. All right. I got a fishing trip booked. So, a lot of people are going to enjoy it, and it's going to be gorgeous this week in New York. It's going to be between 80, 86 to like 80. So I know a lot of people are not going to be doing anything. So let's make our money today and let's get ready. Listen, doesn't mean you can't trade on Friday. Listen, if you got something to do, great. But I'm telling you right now, Friday's actually is a good day to trade, especially when there's, that's why you want to poke your nose in here, because sometimes all you need is just one big runner and you're fine. All right. Got halted. Did it? No, it can't get halted. Can't get halted. They don't hold stocks in pre-market. They only halt when the market opens up. All right. All right, everybody. Good luck. Happy trading. One last thing before we go. Almost forgot to mention. Okay, here we go. I forgot to mention this. So don't forget, today is a very is open house day, free live trading session with Fausto. If you have not registered already, come there. It's today at 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I will see you there. I'm going to teach you about level 3. I'm going to teach you about level 4. We're going to talk about some stocks we traded. I'm going to talk about the winners, the losers, and see if it's all for you. And listen, it's a live event. This is not no tape like some other people do it. You're going to be able to ask questions. I'll be answering them on the fly. Don't miss this opportunity. Find out the real truth, what the good, the bad, and the ugly, and what day trading is all about. Because you know what? Everybody talks good about it. Everybody talks bad about it. It's one way to find out for yourself. So please register now. Get in there, and we'll see you. We'll see you here at 12 o'clock. All right. So we'll be back at 12 for all the Cyber Group members. Remember, you see something, you say something. All right. And we'll start live audio broadcasting in the Cyber Group room at exactly 9:35. All right. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. Be safe.